Hi guys, welcome to DrawASmile. Today I'll be showing you how to draw this beautiful illustration of Kuromi. For this illustration I'm going to be using Canson pen and ink paper, a Sharpie and a couple of markers. Feel free to use whatever you have on hand. It's super easy, just draw with me and enjoy the process. Drawing Kuromi is super easy. We begin by drawing a V shape, followed by a C shape on the left and then an inverted C on the right. That is for the shape of the face. And then we go ahead and draw the hands. Now let's go ahead and connect these to the hands. Now we finish the head shape by drawing a rounded oval. Next, we draw two large diamond shapes pointing outward and also draw two small circles at the tip. To draw Kuromi's mischievous eyes, we draw a U shape and a slanting short line and we just fill it in. And let's do the same for the right eye. And between the eyes, little bit low, right in the middle, we draw a small oval shape for Kuromi's nose. Then a crescent shape for the mouth. To finish Kuromi's iconic gestures hat, we draw two more triangles around the neck pointing outwards. And we also add two small circles at the tip. Now by drawing U shape, we finish the arms. For the body, we just draw two slightly curved lines and then we draw the feet. Now let's draw the decoration that we have on Kuromi's hat. Just draw a circle but leave little bit of gap, and there we draw 3 to 4 short lines and then we draw the eye socket. Now let's finish it off by drawing Kuromi's tail. Just draw 2 curved lines and give it a shape of an arrow. Before I show you my finished illustration, I would like to say if you enjoyed drawing this Kuromi with me, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. To color this Kuromi, I just used 2 colors, a gray and a pink. You can choose your own color, and if you would like to match my colors, feel free to pause the video and do that. I hope to see you in the next video.